Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to reset your Gumroad password. So actually guys, at first you will need to open your favorite browser and then just go and type gumroad.com on the search bar and then hit enter on your keyboard and you will be forwarded into that well designed website. Now all you need to do is to go and click on the login option at the top right corner of the page, and then you will have an option. It says forgot your password at the top right of the password blank. So just go ahead and click on that option, and then you will need to enter the email where you want them to send the reset instructions to. Okay, so just go ahead and enter the email right here, then just go with send. And now you will need to check your email. So just open your email inbox, look for a message from Gumroad with the subject like reset your Gumroad password, and if you don't see it, check your spam and junk folder. And after then you will need to enter a new password right here and just enter the same password to confirm that you entered right here on the first blank, and after that go with reset password. So you will need to use a unique password you don't use anywhere else, and save it in a password manager for easier access. And if you don't receive the reset email within 10 minutes, try resending or checking email filters. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.